Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to know how to make your photos move like this? In today's video, I'll show you how to use the live effect feature on your Android phone to make your photos come alive with just a few taps. If you enjoy creative photo editing, this feature is really fun to try out. First, open your gallery and select the photo you want to edit. Next, swipe up on the screen and wait a few seconds. Several options will appear below the photo. Tap on the live effect option. Your phone will process the image for a few seconds and then bring your photo to life. Now you can see how my photo looks with the live effect applied. You can also set your moving photo as wallpaper by tapping Set as Wallpaper in the bottom right corner. I'll skip that for now and just save the photo by tapping Save Copy. And that's it! That's how easy it is to use live effect on your photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips and photo tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.